welcome to tutorial. This tutorial we're going to be looking at hash tables, hash arrays. The last tutorial was arrays, and this one was hash tables. And so there's different ways of creating hash tables. I'm using like version 1.9 something. So I think once before this version, you could do it slightly different. I'm not too sure. So I'll show you the ways that I know, and there could be other ways of doing that. I'm not too sure, but I'll show you what I know. And so to create an array, the most simple form would be like 2 square brackets, and that's an array, but we've not given it a name so that we can identify it and so that we can access it. You can do with the same with a hash table, but it's not square brackets, it's curly brackets and enter, and you can see that those brackets creates a hash table, and that's the difference between an array and a hash table. Now if you remember right, we could create an array by using the array class and the new method to create a new object of that array. And so what we did was dot new, enter, and a new array was created. We can do the same with the hash table. We use a hash class and the new method. So and there is, we've created a hash table, and so we could do hash equals hash dot new, enter, and now we've got a hash table created that way. Every time we type hash, it'll display that this is a hash table, though there's nothing inside it. Now another way of doing it is you use the curly brackets, and you put the values inside it. A key starts with a colon, and a name after it is a key. So if we do fruit, and then to separate the key from the value, you have an equal sign at the greater than. And next what comes is a value, and the value, it can be a string, it can be a number. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to do this apple. So that's the first key, and the keys are separated by a comma, and so I'm going to do another key, and it's number, if I spell it like number, let's see, and equal sign and greater than, and now we're going to give it 45. So that's us got two key values in the hash table, and then we close the hash table like so, and enter, and we've created a hash table, but again, and we've got like 2 keys in it and 2 values, but again we've not given it a name, so we don't know how to identify this hash table, and so we cannot access it. And so what we would do is we'll use the hash name again, equals, what I'm going to do is just reuse this just to save a little bit of time. So hash equals, and you've got the brackets, and in between the brackets you've got the 2 keys with their 2 values. So if I hit enter, I've just created a hash table with 2 keys and values inside it. And so if I type hash, hey presto, there you go. That's a hash table. And so the way to access the hash table is to type the name and use square brackets, and the colon is for a key. Put the name of the key. No, it's not. It's number I'm looking for. Number. Close the bracket to enter, and we've entered. We've got access to the number. It's 45. And so if we wanted to get access to fruit, hit enter, and apple. Now, if we wanted to add an element, a key and value to the hash table, what we would do is hash square brackets, let's see, let's see, name of a key, address, equals, let's see, address, let's see, let's go, we need to enter. So what we've done is we've added another key, and I've not spelled address right, it's 2 D's, it's sometimes my D doesn't, when I press it doesn't work, so I should hit it a little bit harder, but if I do hash, we've added another key to the hash table, and we can access it by going address, and I've got to spell it wrong this time. I've got to have the colons on it so it knows that it's a key. Let's go. Let's see, and there's lots of different methods you can use with it. You can delete the same way as the array. You can delete values from it. You can delete keys, and so you can test to see if certain keys is part of the hash table. So you can use the fetch key. So hash dot fetch, and you've got brackets, and then you put your key inside, and what we're going to do is address spelled wrong, site, so enter, and Glasgow. So it's told you that Glasgow is there. It's another way of fetching. Let's see, and so So I'm going to leave that there at the moment, and I'm going to do another tutorial on it. So again, thank you for your time.